Good morning, Facebook friends and family. Keith here. I don't usually Facebook Live, but I wanted to make a smoothie, and since some of my friends have been asking me for my smoothie recipes lately, I'm going to make one and just show everybody how I do it. So as anyone here who is vegan or knows a vegan knows, we are obsessed with food. It's just a thing. But living vegan, as we all should understand, is not about what you eat or who you eat. It's about our ethical stance where we refuse to participate in the use and exploitation of the most vulnerable members of our global society, and those are non-human individuals. So we don't eat them, we don't wear them, we don't use them, we don't take their bodies or their excretions, we do none of that, and we still have delicious smoothies. Yeah. So I'm going to put a smoothie together real quick because that's what I want this morning, and I get to hold you all hostage to that. So I forgot to wash my peach, so I'm going to wash my peach real quick. This is my peach. This is today's peach. Not a nice peach? Look at that. The king's peach? Nope, just my peach. So here comes the water. Wet peach. I'm going to rinse the avocado. This is my avocado, even though it probably doesn't need to be rinsed because I'm not eating the skin, but the hell with it. While I've got the water, why not use it? So, first thing I'm going to do is take the Silk unsweetened original almond milk. You know, I don't know if this comes out viewable or if it's backwards or what the story is, but I'm doing it. So I'm going to put the Vitamix together. This is the incredible Vitamix. It's probably the Rolls Royce of blenders. I should stay in the camera zone at some point. So I'm pouring some of the unsweetened almond milk. Now, Vitamixes are traditionally super expensive, but I don't know if it's still the thing, but you can go on the Vitamix website and you can buy a refurbished one, which is what this is, and it comes with full guarantee and warranty and all of that. So this thing has been a workhorse, or it's been a work blender. I guess we don't use horses for work. Hey. All right, so I'm out of almond milk. So it's the unsweetened original. I usually get the vanilla, but apparently I can't read, so that's what happened. So now I'm going to start with some peach, because peach is always good. So cut around center line, open it up, take out the pit in the middle. Did you know that if you really don't like somebody, you can get a bunch of peach pits together and you can make cyanide and give it to them to ingest, and then you won't have to see them anymore. So probably shouldn't mention that. I'm going to try some of my peach. That's a friggin' good peach. So the pit kind of came apart, so I'm going to have to carve around it. Isn't this exciting? Facebook Live, where there's no editing, there's just unending opportunities to bore the shit out of people. So that's my goal today. Be as boring as humanly possible as I make a smoothie. I wish you could time lapse this stuff, because I could just get through it really fast, and I could look like a movie from the 1920s. Well, it'd be all sped up. Be a lot of fun. All right, so we're dealing with this. I'm actually going to eat. I'm going to take my life in my hands right now. This is a peach pit. This is the inside of a peach pit. It's like the peach seed, right? Well, people are saying things. Yum, I'm vegan. Right on. So I'm gonna eat this because a little bit won't kill you. It's kind of like drugs. You know, if you shoot like half a syringe of heroin, you probably won't die, or smoke half a crack rock, because people do that. So I'm gonna that's really good. Really good. Tastes very much like cyanide, I would think would taste. So in goes the peach parts. So being careful not to splash the almond milk in my face, which I often do. So that's going in. Next up, I'm going to do the avocado. Avocados are fun to play with. This one's a Haas avocado. I live in Florida and we have our own avocados, and I can't stand them because they're wet on the inside and they ain't no fun. So here you have Pretty nice avocado. What do you think? Can I get a little avocado love from y'all? Did I just say y'all? Not like I grew up in New York. Somehow y'all has gotten into my vocabulary lexicon. So we're taking this out. It's going in. I might do a whole avocado. I'm not sure because I used a lot of almond milk. I'm going to do a whole avocado. So this is fun. To get the pit out, you can do this. Just kind of put the knife in the middle and it'll roll it out. Don't eat that. Pro tip, never eat anything harder than your teeth. It really ruins your day. So I'm taking this. All right, avocado in. So we've got one peach, and we've got one nice Hass avocado. I assume it was nice. It didn't say anything mean, so I'll go with that. All right, so now I got crap all over my hands, so I'm gonna rinse real fast. As I move on to the next ingredients, this is, you wouldn't believe it, but these are bananas from my banana tree, or one of my many banana trees out back. The bunch had about 45 of them, and they all go ripe at the same time on the same day, so it's horrifying. I have one person watching this. Nobody gives a shit about smoothies, because it's work time. You guys can watch it later or not watch it at all. That's probably your best bet. So, all right, so I'm taking my bananas from the tree, super sweet and small. That's how I like them, sweet and small. Rinsing the hands. I like to rinse between things. All right, so I'm gonna take this out of my way so I don't knock it over and have to make a second video of me cleaning shit up off the floor. So now I'm gonna add in dates. This is what my dating life is like as a vegan, right here. But I'm hoping that's gonna change. All right, so take your pitted date bag, open it up, pour in some dates. So I usually pour in about 8 to 10. I think 12 of them snuck in. I'm not pulling them out. I'm not fishing dates out of my almond milk. Not really fishing. I guess it would be dating. Pineapple chunks. It's getting good here, kids. So open the bag of frozen pineapple, because who the hell knows how to actually open and carve up an actual pineapple? Not this guy. So throw in some liberal amount of pineapple chunks. Now nobody's watching. I have bored the entirety of the Facebook community. The section of humanity that exists on Facebook has been bored back to their day jobs. Organic blueberries, frozen because I can't find fresh right now. So toss in a liberal amount, a couple of handfuls, I guess. Blueberries can be a real handful. All right, so we have that, and that. I'm going to rinse the blueberries off my hands. Anybody still alive? Probably not. Hello, one person, whoever you are. All right, now my favorite brand of peanut butter. I just found this recently. It's called Teddy. I don't know where it comes from. Everett, Massachusetts, where they know shit all about anything but peanut butter. I probably just got myself in trouble. So this is a super chunky version, so I'm just going to take a spoonful and whack it in there. That's a technical term for how you get peanut butter off a spoon. You whack it. Any of my friends from New Jersey should be familiar with the term whacking. Well, we're probably all familiar with it. All right, peanut butter's in. Put that aside. Ooh. Glazed walnuts, which are slightly better than regular walnuts because they're glazed. Just like everybody's eyes if they've been watching. All right, glazed walnuts going in. I'm just killing the bag. They're in. What else? Fun stuff. So now I'm going to put in a little ground turmeric. It's spelled turmeric, but pronounced turmeric. I don't know why. Not sure I care. So I'm going to put in several shakes. So there's that. Ground ginger up next. So I usually do about a dozen shakes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14. I'm going mad. Smoothie mad. Synonym. Cimarron. Cinnamon. Cinnamon. So we're going to shake up our ground cinnamon here. We're going to put in a bunch of cinnamon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to put in even amounts of ginger and cinnamon. Soon I will sneeze because that's what happens. And we're going to put in just a little bit of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, you put too much, you burn your face. But just enough to let your body know that something's going on. So a little cayenne pepper going in 1, 2, 3. I find you put in any more than 3 shakes, and you start regretting ever having been born. All right, so that's, I think that's all the stuff. I'm gonna look and see if I forgot anything. Minced garlic? Yeah, that's all the stuff. So we're gonna whip this up. So I'm gonna take the top. This is the top of the Vitamix. It goes on the top of the whatever that's called, giant cuppy thing, blender part. And here we go. This is always fun. So you can turn it. It's got variable speed. So there's the started on the low speed to kind of drag everything down to the blade area, and then I turn it up high, and then I hit the afterburner. And then the cats run. So here we go. Start it off low and slow. Stuff is spinning around. That was fun. Just vibrated the counter to the point where the phone fell. Put something in front here to keep it going. Okay, so now we're going to turn it up a little bit. Watch out, everyone. We're blending. We're smoothing. Holy crap. Oh my God. Wait for it. Afterburner. I think we've made a smoothie. Uncover it. Give it the sniff test. Beautiful. Slide the Vitamix back to the Vitamix in the house. Whoa. Hey, that was nice. How about that? I can do that all day. All right, so we got ourselves a smoothie. We got a schmoothie here. Look at that. That's a schmoothie right there. It's inside. So I'm gonna now pour the smoothie into this cool vessel. Hi, Mimi. You want to come help Daddy make a smoothie? Too late. All right, so we're pouring now. Here we go. Here we go. It's going in. Now, because I've made a shit ton of this, I need 2 vessels, and I only have 1 cool mason jar, so the rest is going in Tupperware. And oh, look at that. Right to the top. Right to the tippy tip. right up to the ledge. Taste it. Oh, geez. That's really good. That's a really good smoothie. Who's coming over? Who wants Keith's kitchen sink smoothie? It's everything but the kitchen sink. Right by the kitchen sink. So I'm tasting now. Wow. I make a damn good smoothie. Alright, so I'm going to put the top on the bell jar here. That's the peanut butter top, which is why it's kind of like peanut butter. I'm going to eat some of my peanut butter. Peanut buttery good. Alright, so that's your how to make a smoothie tutorial. Your smooth tutorial. And put the top on the mason jar here. That's the one that I will store. This amount of smoothie right here is going to last me a good 24 hours-ish. So all kinds of good stuff in there. You got your almond milk, and you got your blueberries, you got your peaches, you got your bananas, you got your pineapples, if I didn't already say that. You got your peanut butter, you got your ginger, your cinnamon, your turmeric, so Tom Skerritt, I don't know what it is, and a little bit of your cayenne pepper there to just blow your brains out slightly. And that's either all the things or go back and watch it again, and if there was something else, it's there. So anyway, that's what the smoothie making du jour looks like. Thank you for watching. I hope that this has been effective in not only showing you what the smoothie, what one smoothie recipe is, but it also helped put you to sleep and bore you to friggin' tears. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Have a wonderful day or evening or night or whatever part of the world you're in and whatever time zone you happen to be in. I hope you're having a great time. So have a great time. And if you want more of these videos, I don't know how to help you with that. Something's wrong. Seek help. Get a therapy, counseling, something. And bear in mind that animals are not objects, and we need to dismantle and end speciesism. Please, if you're not already living vegan, then live vegan. It is the best way to reduce the impact that you have on others in this world by not buying into and being complicit in the exploitation, use, and unnecessary killing of literally trillions of innocent, vulnerable individuals. So we ask that you do that. So live vegan, educate others, drink smoothies. I don't know how to turn off Facebook Live, so we won't be doing this the whole day. It might just never end. This is the video that never ends. Oh, it says finish. Swedish, Dutch, German, Finnish.